her legs, and then you're gonna go like this. 3 or 4 times, do it as many times you want. And then we're gonna lay her down like so. And she's sleeping.
Come on! What are you doing?
Let me. Did he put her upside down?
Okay.
Hold them on that side where the head is. So it's putting the pressure on it.
It looks like it has no head. A
Yeah.
dead chicken.
Put it on the side. Put it on the side. Put the leg like that. No, you gotta hold the leg. Look, it's starting to calm down. Look, there you go. Now
1, 2.
3, 4, and then the other way around. 4 times. 1, 2, 3.
What?
A dead chicken.
Yeah, like 2 minutes, I think is what he said.
Oh, it looks like it's a dead chicken. Looks like its head just got chopped off.